$150 in less than 30 minutes. It may sound impossible, but I will show you how to make that much money in this video. And since I will be giving you an absolutely free tool that will do all of the work for you, make sure you keep watching and stay with me until the end so you don't miss it. Now, just before I show you everything, if you'd like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so the very first website I will be showing you today is one you might have heard about before. It's called Latium.org. For those of you who have never heard about this site, let me explain briefly what it is. In essence, it's a freelancing platform that is very similar to the likes of Fiverr, People Per Hour, Freelancer, and many, many others. And most importantly for some of you, this does work worldwide. In any case, what you need to do when you first come on here is click on I Want to Work right here. Since obviously we are here to make money and are not going to be hiring anyone whatsoever. So you won't be investing a dime into this at all. From there, what you have to do is enter in your email address. And when done, click on I'm Not a Robot and then on Sign Up. When done, they will send you an email to the email address you entered. And as such, you will want to come over to your Gmail account and find a message from Latium and click on here in order to confirm that the email address you entered actually belongs to you. And only after confirming your email will you enter in all of your other information, such as your first and last names, password, your username, and so on. And you will want to log into your brand new account from there. Once done, this is how everything will look. Now, in order to find work, what you need to do is hover your mouse over Browse right up here, and then select Browse Projects. This will show you a bunch of people who are offering money for a variety of different services, the categories of which you can see on the left-hand side. You have surveys, graphics and design, social and digital marketing, websites and software, usability testing, registrations, translation, and so on and so forth. Now we will be focusing on one particular category, which is none other than graphics and design. And so you will now want to select that. Now I know that some of you will be thinking, how can I make money designing if I don't have any skills? Well, as I said in the intro, I will show you a site that will literally do all the hard work for you. So even if you have no design skills, even if you've never designed anything in your life, you will be able to get paid through this strategy. And here's the best part. Graphics and design pay off big time. You can easily find jobs on here that will pay you up to hundreds of dollars. Now, what we are looking for in particular is logo design. And when you come across an offer relating to logo design like this one here, you will want to place a bid on it. And I will repeat this over and over again for several offers, guys. The fact that you have to compete for these offers is a bit of a downside. And so I have another platform to show you where you can also get paid by designing various logos that would be perhaps even better than Latium here too. That platform is called designcrowd.com. This is a site that you might have heard about before, but either way, it's far different from Latium. This is not a freelancing platform whatsoever. On this site, various companies from all over the globe come to and hire different designers for various jobs. Apart from logo design, you also have web design, banner ad design, flyer design, and so on. In any case, what you need to do when you come on here is just create an account by clicking on register right here. Then you will enter in your basic info, and when done, click on I'm a designer below to create your account. Once finished, you will now obviously want to find work. And to do that, you will need to hover your mouse over Jobs right here, and then click on Logo Design. And just like with Latium, this will show you people who are willing to literally pay you hundreds of dollars for a logo design. This person I found is offering $150, so this has the potential to make you a lot of money, as you can see. And that's not even the best part. You will see up here that there are over 200 jobs as of right now, 200 potential customers, and just think about it, 10 people paying you means you've already made $1,000 just like that. And thanks to the tool I will show you, you will easily be able to make such money in no time. Speaking of, let me reveal to you the site that will do all of this work for you. The site in question is called freelogodesign.org. This will literally design your logos for absolutely free, as the name suggests, and in varying categories too. You have abstract, agriculture, animals and pets, architecture, automotive and vehicle, business, children, cleaning. There are literally too many categories to read them out. The point is, here you can get a logo done for you no matter what your customer is asking for, thanks to all of these categories. What you need to do when you find a job either on Latium or Design Crowd is to ask your customer what the name of their company is if they haven't given you one. When they do, just enter the name in here, select the category in question, and then click on Get Started. Let's say, for example, that I'm designing a logo for this person here. The logo is, as you can see, for a healthcare company. And so what I did was choose the medical category and just check out how many logos there are to choose from. And they all look absolutely amazing as well. And most importantly for us, we get these for free without even having to create an account on this website. Now, which logo of these you pick depends on what the customer is asking of you and what they are looking for in particular. But in any case, when you find a logo that's suitable, all you have to do is click on Choose. And when you do, you will be brought over to the designer, which is arguably the best part about this website. You can actually customize the logo as well. On the left-hand side, you can see that you can add text, add icons, shapes, and logos. On the right-hand side, you can click here to change the background color. And just below that, you can see that you can change the size of all the objects in said logo. Anyways, when you're done with your logo and you're satisfied, just click on Download right up here to download it to your PC and send it to your customer. I would recommend that you guys use both Latium and Design Crowd in order to find work, since that way you'll be reaching more people. Just rinse and repeat from there. Find a customer on one of the two platforms, come over to Free Logo Design, get it done for you, and then sell it to them to make hundreds of dollars without investing any whatsoever, and without having any design skills at all. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.